Last morning in Quartzsite. We are hitting the road today finally. Last sunrise. Not a bad morning. Nice, cool, no wind for a travel day. Gotta love that. Ready to go, Bear? She's always ready to go.
Good morning! Another travel day. We're going to be having a lot of those. We are currently leaving the Camp Verde area. We had a very nice 3-night stay at the Verde Ranch RV Resort in Camp Verde, Arizona. Went and saw a couple things. There'll be video coming out shortly. Today we are heading halfway from here to Page, Arizona, and just going to stay at a white spot in the road overnight for one night, and then head to Page for a couple of nights. So we got to go do a little bit of sightseeing this time, and like I said, we will have a video coming soon about the Camp Verde area. Kaylee is doing pretty good considering we just traveled a couple days ago. And Bear, of course, always loves riding in the truck. I expect we'll have lots of pretty scenery on this drive. Here and there. We're not quite to Flagstaff yet, but we're getting into the pines. There were a lot of junipers on the way up.
Wasn't there a song about that?
About what?
Arizona in the pines? Oh no, that was Carolina in the pines. Who remembers that? Huh? Michael Martin? before he was Michael Martin Murphy.
Anybody? Anybody? Bueller? Good morning, everyone. Travel day again. We're getting more and more travel days in. Kind of what we went into this life for, this lifestyle for. We had a good night last night at the Navajo Trail Trading Post on 89 in Cameron, Arizona. And we are headed now to Page, Arizona for a couple nights, we think. It was a good place. It's a really cool little rest stop area, basically. Has a Chevron station. There's a nice little store, gift shop and convenience store. There's also a lot of Native American Navajo jewelry, a lot of turquoise. It's beautiful. There's a deli there, a nice deli.
Great food.
Good food. And there's also Burger King attached. Did you use the restrooms there? You
Yes.
did. Nice, clean.
Very nice, very clean.
Yeah, the whole place is really nice and really clean. The parking lot's pretty big. We were joined by a couple of other RVers and some truckers, but it was fairly quiet last night.
It really was.
Yeah, I was
Once
surprised.
everybody got in place, about
Yep.
10:30, 11 o'clock was the last truck I heard pull in. I mean, it was quiet overnight.
We are lucky that we got there early so that we could get a spot where we could put our bedroom and kitchen slides out, because if you've been following us for any length of time, you know that we cannot sleep in our RV if our bedroom slide is not out. So that one at least has to be out. And since it's on the same side as the kitchen, we usually put the kitchen one out, and it gives us a little bit of room. You know, we can sit at the kitchen table and get to the kitchen stuff. So it was good. It is about 9 o'clock in the morning, and we are already on the road. Yay, yes. So only a couple hour drive today. And
Short drives every day. This one's like 80 miles, and that's it.
yay! Following Dave and Karen's advice.
Our endeavor.
Yes, Dave and Karen from Our Endeavor. weird looking. It doesn't look like there's anywhere to go. Okay, so that was beautiful. And people think the Grand Canyon is beautiful. You're seeing it from afar. This is like being down in the Grand Canyon with all the rock formations and the colors and the different levels. It was just amazing. That was pretty. That was coming from Cameron, Arizona to Page, Arizona on 89. View, a 360 view of our campsite for the next couple of nights. We are in Page, Arizona. That is looking towards Page. This campground was listed on freecampsites.net as being a free campground. It is not. It is $14 a night for no services at all, but a safe place to park. Since it is a National Parks Service, we can use our, or Tom's, senior pass, and so it's only half price. It's $7 a night. But it needs to be changed on free campsites because it is not a free campground. Tom is planning on making that adjustment. So we were able to get our big rig in here. There is one more campsite over there next to us. We are in number 2. Here's the fee box. We got our envelope and we will go fill it out and put our money in. It's beautiful here. So we're trying to decide if we're going to stay one night or 2. I think we'll pay for one night and then make our decision, see if we'll go stay at the Walmart. because the Walmart is free.
Because I'm cheap. I'm really disappointed. Everything I read said this was a free campsite. Everything.
Yep, so we need to adjust those websites.
I'm going to go adjust all the sites that I can upload to and put it in here. I mean, it's a great area. It's beautiful.
Mm-hmm. The $14 is kind of steep for nothing, I think. Unless you're paying for the views, which people could.
A lot of people do. We don't.
Oh, God. Old and tightwads. There we go. So I misspoke. Tom had said there were 5 sites here, but there are actually 6. He said he read differently at different websites. So we're in 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here's our campsite. And check this out. The one that we happened to pick had this rock sitting right here. Hey, Dan and Jen, Nevada, look what I found. And this is how big it is. It's the size of a foot. It's big. But they have this concrete picnic table here. No campfires allowed, which is good. Yay. I'm glad about that. So there are still some cactus nearby. We've got a helicopter. It's probably one of those tours. Can't do it one-handed. Paid.